A small city, rich in cultural heritage and historical significance, lies at the confluence of River Ajoy and Bhagirathi. In early 1500s, this city became more significant as the renaissance of Sanatan Dharma initiated from here as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu received Diksha from his guru Keshav Bharati at the famous Gaurangobadi, once a capital and major port of ancient kingdom of Mallabhumi. This city became an important center for trade and commerce, which is being continued till now. The station market, Kachari Road, Nichu Bazar, Circus Maidan are important business centers that are flooded with people during peak hours, providing the importance of this city every day. The land of Kashiram Das and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is a combination of growing economy along with the regional taste of Bardhaman. Amidst the smell of rural Bengal and deep-rooted history lies Katua 132 kV substation, one of the oldest and critical transmission substations of the region. The substation was established in 1989 by the erstwhile WBSEB with the primary objective to supply power to the locality. This substation is easily accessible by road and railways from important parts of the state. After unbundling of WBSEB, Katua 132 kV substation was inherited by WBSETCL, the state transmission utility, in April of 2007. As part of the current organization structure, this substation is functioning under the technical and administrative control of Burdwan Area Office with Chinsura Transmission Zone and Transmission O and M2 being the subsequent higher levels of hierarchy. At present, Katua 132 kV substation is connected to the grid via 132 kV lines via Sadgachia 220 kV AIS, Salar 132 kV GIS circuit and Debagram 132 kV AIS. A 132 kV single circuit is creating power to 132 kV Katua TSS. There are three numbers of 132 by 33 kV transformers and three numbers of 33 by 11 kV transformers to feed power to the 33 kV and 11 kV system respectively, with total capacity of 150 MVA. Three numbers of earthing transformers are installed in the system for protection of Delta connected 33 kV system, out of which the third one was installed recently. In 33 kV voltage level, Katua 132 kV substation caters power via 33 kV lines to Katua, Dainhat, Jageshwardihi, Mejiari, Pachundi, Patuli and Mongolkot 33 kV substation of WBSETCL. Power is created to the local bodies via 6 numbers of 11 kV feeders.
Katua 132 kV substation is one of the oldest substations in Purbo Bardhaman district. In the year 1989, this substation was commissioned by charging a single 20 MVA transformer to cater 33 kV. Over the years, this substation has undergone massive amount of challenges and hence upgradations were made in the system gradually. For example, 3 numbers of 31.5 MVA transformers were replaced by 3 numbers of 50 MVA transformers to enhance the capacity of the substation. It was done in the year 2019. In the following year, a second set of battery bank and battery charger was installed so as to provide dizziness in the DC system. Old and defective isolators in 132 kV system and 33 kV system were replaced by new isolators. Augmentation of 132 kV main bus from single moves to twin moves and transfer bus from single panther to single moves was done. A third earthing transformer was also installed. These things were done so that we can try to attain uninterrupted power supply.
Considering the importance of 33 kV system, 7 numbers of age-old 33 kV panels were renovated recently. The 132 kV panels will be renovated shortly as part of ongoing efforts WBSEDCL for increasing the redundancy and robustness of the control system. A second set of battery charger and battery bank has been incorporated at Katwa 132 kV substation. The battery bank and battery chargers are well maintained by the staffs.
As a maintenance in charge of this substation, I had to make proper schedule of the maintenance of every UHV equipment that is connected in our substation along with the transformers. We had to do the maintenance of the lead acid cell battery set as well as the VRLA battery set, battery charger and cap banks. Under the jurisdiction of Katwa 132 kV substation, we have 3 132 kV double circuit, and we have a traction feeder as well as we have a 400 kV EHV transmission line. So we do the patrolling of these lines quarterly, and at the end of every year we do the tree trimming of these lines. We do maintain the proper registers of this maintenance of EHV equipments as well as the battery register of lead acid cell battery as well as the VRLA battery cells.
Renovation of 132 kV and 33 kV system has been done by replacing age-old, trouble-prone and under-capacity isolators to improve system availability and stability and reliability. We follow our periodic maintenance and condition monitoring as per the guidelines of WBSETCL. To achieve this objective, we use different testing equipments provided by our department such as thermovision camera, TAN Delta test kit, leakage current measurement kit, circuit breaker timer test kit, partial discharge analyzer, digital IR kit, high voltage detector, etc. DGA and routine tests are performed by nearest testing department as per maintenance schedule of WBSETCL. Time-based preventive maintenance of the substation equipments are carried out following the standard operating procedures are duly followed. One of the major challenges is the difficult terrain that includes rice fields, innumerable canals and wetlands which become almost inaccessible during the monsoon season, especially at 132 kV levels. Hence, extra precautions against snakebite and other injuries are taken by the staffs to ensure high availability and reliability. Periodic line patrolling, tree trimming, foundation checking and repairing damaged insulator replacement, etc. are done for all lines at regular intervals. Record keeping are done through online and offline modes in different types of Excel files, registers and logbooks, and maintained properly by operation and maintenance personnel. Battery register, maximum minimum demand book, daily inspection schedule, drawings of equipments and relay panel, etc. are well maintained.
Daily inspection of switchyard is being done thoroughly, and if any abnormality is found, then it is recorded and informed to station in charge. Registers are maintained properly and archived them for future reference.
Safety manual Switching instructions book and safety manual are readily available in the control room for our reference. There is also a section in the wall that depicts important information like single line diagram, emergency phone numbers, safety precautions, location of fire extinguisher, etc. At Katwa, the real-time PLCC and OPGW is well maintained and utilized for voice and data communication, and newly incorporated SAMAST metering project. Rooftop solar power plant having 20 kilowatt of capacity has been installed under Alo Shri scheme of West Bengal government, and it is connected to the grid via ACDB panel. Safety is the topmost priority for the power sector. We, the staffs of Katwa 132 kV substation, take safety as a precaution and not as an afterthought. The suitably placed indoor and outdoor safety sign boards serves as a continuous reminder to the danger we are dealing with. Periodic safety awareness meetings and firefighting mock drills are also conducted. The firefighting equipment such as fire extinguishers and sand buckets are placed strategically at different locations of the substation, and periodic checking of fire alarm system is done to ensure proper functioning. Personal protective gears such as helmets, gumboots, gloves, and first aid kits are readily available at the control room. Arc flash preventive suit is also provided specially for switching operations inside 11 kV gear room. First aid kits are routinely checked and replenished. Bay marking and phase marking are adequately done in the switch yard. Katwa 132 kV substation has sufficient illumination all around the area, and maintenance of the illumination is done by checking and repairing the damaged lights on a regular basis. At Katwa, we have a store and stack yard for storing and safekeeping valuable equipments of the substation, and a sump pump house for pumping out the water logged inside the cable trench. In order to maintain the aesthetic beauty of the substation, a flowering garden is well maintained by planting and nurturing various types of flowering plants throughout the year. The nature of the job performed at the substation is very challenging, and one should have a focused mind, and hence a refreshing and soothing environment required to be maintained all around the place. Greenery is contemplated, and periodic deweeding of unwanted shrubs are done both inside and outside of the switch yard on a regular basis. Residential colonies and security barrack are well occupied, and together we constitute a family. The substation is well guarded by security personnel 24/7. We believe in teamwork by holding a cordial relationship among us to ensure a pleasant and satisfying working environment. Katwa 132 kV substation was awarded a certificate of appreciation for maintaining zero accident zone for the period of 2017 and 2018. We would like to repeat this feat once again and forever.